here, this, oh, you know what I mean? So it's like, oh, how do I fix that, you know? It was a real tough sell. Let me see. Yeah, there was a reason for this. If anybody knows a tip on how to get this thing to lock better, because I found that this right here was a pain in the butt. How you can, it just doesn't want to stay. You know what I mean? See that? So I think I'm gonna try to work it. If you guys have the same problem, let me try to work this back towards this way. All right. You know what I'm saying? So in other words, try to work it that way. Let's see if I can, you know, by moving it back and forward. Now, let me see if she'll stick. Of course she won't. That's a video unto itself, because for some reason I got it to close. Okay, let me do it the other way. All right, if you guys, anybody has some tips on that, please comment below, because that is the stupidest design, if you ask me. I mean, why? You know, what do I have to do? Bend this freaking piece? You know, this piece here? Yeah. Wow, man. Golly. Oh, pain in the ass. You know what? Maybe I wedged something in there. That's probably what I did, you know? That's probably what I did. I probably wedged something. Maybe this, you see? Wedging something. Yeah. Whatever. In fact, I'm gonna do this. Look, watch. No, I'm not. This is the stupidest thing. Again, Airstream, thank you so much for all the beautiful thoughts I have. So here, you can see up here, I've got LED, all right, going. And it, you know, seems to be the way to go. New lock, all right? Soon to be new curtain. Thank you. Back over to the Airstream. I mean the awning. Again, this had a compromise here to the design. Wasn't feeling it at all. Wasn't happy. It was shit, if you don't mind me saying so. There should be a big metal plate, not only on the back side, but even a plate on the front, so that when you go to put the awning on, it just screws right into the actual fitting, you know? I mean, I don't understand why they would make that so cheap. But there it is. So I'm going to do another video on how the awning is put together and how the awning is going to be, you know, once it's redone. You can see here where I've got the area where you affix the part of the awning that's in the middle, which is used to sort of come up and then, you know, support the center of it. So anyway, there is the overview of the entire Airstream. In terms of everything done on the top, it is pretty much done. All the sealing is done, all of the gaskets are done, all of the rivets are done. Every element of the leaking possibility areas is addressed. The fans are in, the skylights are in, the TV antenna is secured. Everything except for the air conditioner is gone through. So there you have it. Oh, lastly but not least, my rock guards. Another interesting element to the Airstream's design is how there was no frame plate put on these rock guards. As you can see, there's a slight warping here. Would have been avoided if there was a piece that enabled a hinge, if you will, to enable them to not have to rock out and cause stress structurally to the actual frame. This I have figured out, and the same thing for here. I have got this all sealed up. As far as I'm concerned, it looks beautiful without the raw guards. As far as I'm concerned, if I could store this in a nice place, I would do away with the rock guards. I would. I'd store them because it just looks so clean. Yeah, the rock guards they kind of, to my mind, it's like, it's like somebody wearing sunglasses, but they have that that thing that attaches to their glasses. It's like, I'm not a person that wears just regular glasses that has that, but somebody that wears, what I mean? It's like, you ever seen those people that have this thing they pull down? I mean, it's kind of what that is, and it's beautiful looking design. And then they went, oh wait, maybe we should not let rocks smash it, Well, how do we address that? Well, I came up with an idea. If anybody wants to back me on this, I want to make clear acrylic, rock guards that you can see the beauty of the Airstream, and of course mirrored ones in different colors and all that. Rock guards, okay? Like, yeah. If you guys want to back me, hit me up. I've got the whole thing figured out.